হেল্ল' গাইজ, আপোনালোক সকলোকে মোৰ চেনেলটোলৈ ৱেলকাম জনাইছোঁ। আজি মই অসম সাধাৰণ জ্ঞানৰ 100টা অতি গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ প্ৰশ্ন উত্তৰ আলোচনা কৰিম। গতিকে আপোনালোকে ভিডিঅ'টো প্ৰথমৰ পৰা শেষলৈকে চাব। কুৱেশ্যন নাম্বাৰ 1, হু ৱাজ দ্য ফাৰ্ষ্ট ভাইচ চেঞ্চেলৰ অফ গুৱাহাটী ইউনিভাৰ্চিটি? গুৱাহাটী বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ৰ প্ৰথম উপাচাৰ্য কোন আছিল? দ্য কাৰেক্ট এনচাৰ ইজ অপশ্যন এ, কৃষ্ণকান্ত হেণ্ডিক। Krishnakanta Hendik was the first Vice Chancellor of Guwahati University. Question number 2. Who is the author of the novel Dev Langkhui? Dev Langkhui উপন্যাসখনৰ লেখক কোন? The correct answer is option A, Rita Chaudhuri. Rita Chaudhuri is the author of the novel Dev Langkhui. Question number 3. When did Lovelina Borgohain win the Arjuna Award? Lovelina Borgohain কেতিয়া অৰ্জুন বঁটা লাভ কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option D, 2020. Lovelina Borgohain won the Arjuna Award in 2020. Question number 4. What is the name of the highest mountain range in Assam? অসমৰ সৰ্বোচ্চ পাহাৰ শ্ৰেণীৰ নাম কি? The correct answer is option C, Borail Range. Borail Range is the highest mountain range in Assam. Question number 5. When is Sati Sadhani Divas celebrated in Assam? অসমত কেতিয়া সতী সাধনী দিৱস পালন কৰা হয়? The correct answer is option B, 21 April. Sati Sadhani Divas is celebrated on 21 April in Assam. Question number 6. Which place in Assam has match factory? অসমৰ কোন ঠাইত জুইশলাৰ কাৰখানা আছে? The correct answer is option B, Dhuburi. There is a match factory in Dhuburi district of Assam. Question number 7. How many states of India shares border with Assam? ভাৰতৰ কেইখন ৰাজ্যৰ সীমাই অসমৰ সীমা স্পৰ্শ কৰে? The correct answer is option B, 7. The 7 Indian states that share border with Assam are Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram, and West Bengal. Question number 8. Which of the following countries share border with Assam? তলৰ কোনখন দেশৰ অসমৰ সৈতে সীমান্ত আছে? The correct answer is option D, Bhutan. Bhutan shares border with Assam. Question number 9. Which of the following river is in the Borak Valley? তলৰ কোনখন নদী বৰাক উপত্যকাত আছে? The correct answer is option B, Kushiara. The Kushiara river is in the Borak Valley. Question number 10. What is the state tree of Assam? অসমৰ ৰাজ্যিক বৃক্ষ কি? The correct answer is option A, Holong. Holong is the state tree of Assam. Question number 11. Puamekka and Hoygrif Madhav Temple is at which place of Assam? পুৱামক্কা আৰু হয়গ্ৰীফ মাধৱ মন্দিৰ অসমৰ কোন ঠাইত আছে? The correct answer is option D, Hajo. Puamekka and Hoygrif Madhav Temple is located at Hajo. Question number 12. Name the Tea Research Institute at Jorhat. যোৰহাটত অৱস্থিত চাহ গৱেষণা কেন্দ্ৰৰ নাম? The correct answer is option B, Toklai. Question number 13. Name the first talkie in Assamese. প্ৰথম অসমীয়া কথাছবি হৈছে? The correct answer is option C, Joymoti. Joymoti is the first talkie in Assamese. Question number 14. The Assam Medical College is situated in অসম চিকিৎসা মহাবিদ্যালয়খন অৱস্থিত? The correct answer is option D, Dibrugarh. The Assam Medical College is situated in Dibrugarh. Question number 15. Which Assamese is called Kolaguru? কোনজন অসমীয়া কলাগুৰু বুলি কোৱা হয়? The correct answer is option B, Vishnu Prasad Rava. Vishnu Prasad Rava is called Kolaguru. Question number 16. Which Assamese is called Rupkor? কোনজন অসমীয়াক ৰূপকোঁৱৰ বুলি কোৱা হয়? The correct answer is option D. Jyoti Prasad Agarwala. Jyoti Prasad Agarwala is known as Rupkor. Question number 17. Who conferred the Lokpriya title to Gopinath Bordoloi? কোনে গোপীনাথ বৰদলৈক লোকপ্ৰিয় উপাধি প্ৰদান কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option A. Joyram Das Daulat Ram. Joyram Das Daulat Ram conferred the Lokpriya title to Gopinath Bordoloi. Question number 18. Which Assamese is known as Kormobir? কোনজন অসমীয়া কৰ্মবীৰ বুলি জনা যায়? The correct answer is option C. Nobin Chandra Bordoloi. Nobin Chandra Bordoloi is known as Kormobir. Question number 19. What is the pen name of Binondo Chandra Borua? Binondo Chandra Boruar ছদ্ম নাম কি? The correct answer is option A. Kerpai Sharma. The pen name of Binondo Chandra Borua is Kerpai Sharma. Question number 20. Who is known as Bhangoni Kaur in Assamese literature? অসমীয়া সাহিত্যত ভাঙনি কোঁৱৰ নামেৰে কাক জনা যায়? The correct answer is option A. Anand Chandra Agarwala. Anand Chandra Agarwala is known as Bhangoni Kaur in Assamese literature. Question number 21. Who is the winner of the 2023 Assam Vaibhav Award? 2023 চনৰ অসম বৈভৱ বঁটা কোনে লাভ কৰিছে? The correct answer is option C. Ranjan Gogoi. Ranjan Gogoi is the winner of the 2023 Assam Vaibhav Award. Question number 22. What is the average height of Assam from sea level? সমুদ্ৰ পৃষ্ঠৰ পৰা অসমৰ গড় উচ্চতা কিমান? The correct answer is option D. 79.5 meters. The average height of Assam from sea level is 79.5 meters. Question number 23. Which is the largest lake in Assam? অসমৰ আটাইতকৈ ডাঙৰ হ্ৰদ কোনটো? The correct answer is option A. Sonbil. Sonbil is the largest lake in Assam. Question number 24. Which district of Assam is known as Nabodweep? অসমৰ কোনখন জিলা নৱদ্বীপ নামেৰে জনাজাত? The correct answer is option B. Nolbari. Nolbari is known as Nabodweep of Assam. Question number 25. Raimona National Park is famous for which of the following species of animals? Raimona ৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় উদ্যান তলৰ কোনটো প্ৰজাতিৰ প্ৰাণীৰ বাবে বিখ্যাত? The correct answer is option C. Golden langur. Raimona National Park is famous for golden langur. Question number 26. Which of the following is the largest tributary of the Brahmaputra River? তলৰ কোনটো ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰ নদীৰ সৰ্ববৃহৎ উপনৈ? The correct answer is option B. Subansiri. Subansiri is the largest tributary of the Brahmaputra River. Question number 27. Who was the first speaker of the Assam Legislative Assembly? অসম বিধানসভাৰ প্ৰথম অধ্যক্ষ কোন আছিল? The correct answer is option A. Babu Basanta Kumar Das. Babu Basanta Kumar Das was the first speaker of the Assam Legislative Assembly. Question number 28. How many seats are there in the Assembly of Assam? অসমৰ বিধানসভাত কিমানখন আসন আছে? The correct answer is option D. 126. There are 126 seats in the Assembly of Assam. Question number 29. How many Lok Sabha constituencies are there in Assam? অসমত কিমানটা লোকসভা সমষ্টি আছে? The correct answer is option B. 14. There are 14 Lok Sabha constituencies in Assam. Question number 30. Who is the current Speaker of the Assam Legislative Assembly? বৰ্তমান অসম বিধানসভাৰ অধ্যক্ষ কোন? The correct answer is option A. Biswajit Doimari. Biswajit Doimari is the current Speaker of the Assam Legislative Assembly. Question number 31. In which year was the capital of Assam shifted from Shillong to Dispur? কোন চনত অসমৰ ৰাজধানী শ্বিলঙৰ পৰা দিছপুৰলৈ স্থানান্তৰিত কৰা হৈছিল? The correct answer is option C, 1973. The capital of Assam was shifted from Shillong to Dispur in 1973. Question number 32. Who was the first Assamese president of India? ভাৰতৰ প্ৰথম অসমীয়া ৰাষ্ট্ৰপতি কোন আছিল? The correct answer is option B, Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed. Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed was the first Assamese president of India. Question number 33. Who composed the Kirtan Ghosha? Kirtan Ghosha কোনে ৰচনা কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option A, Srimanto Shankardev. Srimanto Shankardev composed the Kirtan Ghosha. Question number 34. Where is the Assam Rice Research Institute located? অসম ধান গৱেষণা প্ৰতিষ্ঠান ক'ত অৱস্থিত? The correct answer is option A, Titabor. The Assam Rice Research Institute is located at Titabor. Question number 35. The name of a place with limestone in Assam is অসমৰ চূণশিল থকা এখন ঠাইৰ নাম হ'ল? The correct answer is option C, Gorampani. Limestone is found in Gorampani in Assam. Question number 36. In which river crude oil was first discovered in Assam? অসমত প্ৰথম কোনখন নদীত খাৰুৱা তেল আৱিষ্কাৰ হৈছিল? The correct answer is option B, Burhi Dihing. Question number 37. In which year was the Digboi refinery in Assam established? কোন চনত অসমৰ ডিগবৈ শোধনাগাৰ স্থাপন কৰা হৈছিল? The correct answer is option C, 1901. The Digboi refinery in Assam was established in 1901. Question number 38. In which year was the Assam Seeds Corporation Limited established? অসমত বীজ নিগম লিমিটেড কোন বছৰত প্ৰতিষ্ঠা হৈছিল? The correct answer is option A, 1967. The Assam Seeds Corporation Limited was established in 1967. Question number 39. In which year was the Assam Tea Company established? কোন চনত অসম চাহ কোম্পানী প্ৰতিষ্ঠা হৈছিল? The correct answer is option A, 1839. The Assam Tea Company was established in 1839. Question number 40. In which year was the Assam State Electricity Board formed? অসম ৰাজ্যিক বিদ্যুৎ পৰিষদ কিমান চনত গঠন হৈছিল? The correct answer is option A, 1958. The Assam State Electricity Board was formed in 1958. Question number 41. When was the Guwahati Tea Auction Center established? গুৱাহাটী চাহ নিলাম কেন্দ্ৰ কেতিয়া স্থাপন হৈছিল? The correct answer is option B, 1970. The Guwahati Tea Auction Center was established in 1970. Question number 42. When was Assam Oil Company established? অসম তেল কোম্পানী কেতিয়া প্ৰতিষ্ঠা হৈছিল? The correct answer is option B, 1899. The Assam Oil Company was established in 1899. Question number 43. What is the name of the oldest oil refinery in Assam? অসমৰ আটাইতকৈ পুৰণি তেল শোধনাগাৰটোৰ নাম কি? The correct answer is option C, Digboi. Digboi is the oldest oil refinery in Assam. Question number 44. What is the name of the refinery created as a result of the Assam Accord? অসম চুক্তিৰ ফলত সৃষ্টি হোৱা শোধনাগাৰটোৰ নাম কি? The correct answer is option B, Numaligarh. Numaligarh Oil Refinery was created as a result of the Assam Accord. Question number 45. In which year was the Nunmati Oil Refinery established? কোন চনত নুনমাটি তেল শোধনাগাৰ স্থাপন কৰা হৈছিল? The correct answer is option B, 1962. The Nunmati Oil Refinery was established in 1962. Question number 46. In which year was the Bongaigaon Oil Refinery established? কোন চনত বঙাইগাঁও তেল শোধনাগাৰ স্থাপন কৰা হৈছিল? The correct answer is option C, 1974. The Bongaigaon Oil Refinery was established in 1974. Question number 47. In which year was the Numaligarh Oil Refinery established? কোন চনত নুমলীগড় তেল শোধনাগাৰ স্থাপন কৰা হৈছিল? The correct answer is option D, 1999. The Numaligarh Oil Refinery was established in 1999. Question number 48. Where is Assam's only chemical fertilizer plant located? অসমৰ একমাত্ৰ ৰাসায়নিক সাৰ উদ্যোগ ক'ত অৱস্থিত? The correct answer is option B, Namrup. Assam's only chemical fertilizer plant is located in Namrup. Question number 49. Where was the first sugar mill established in Assam? অসমত প্ৰথম চেনিকল ক'ত স্থাপন হৈছিল? The correct answer is option A, Borua Bamungao. The first sugar mill in Assam was established at Borua Bamungao. Question number 50. When was the first sugar mill established in Assam? অসমত প্ৰথম চেনিকল কেতিয়া স্থাপন কৰা হৈছিল? The correct answer is option A, 1958. The first sugar mill in Assam was established in 1958. Question number 51. First plywood factory in Assam was established in which year? অসমৰ প্ৰথম প্লাইউড কাৰখানা কোন বছৰত স্থাপন হৈছিল? The correct answer is option B, 1920. The first plywood factory in Assam was established in 1920. The Assam Sawmill and Timber Company was the first plywood factory in Margherita, Assam, India. Question number 52. What percentage of the total land area of Assam is covered by forest resources? অসমৰ মুঠ ভূমিৰ কিমান শতাংশ বনজ সম্পদে আগুৰি আছে? The correct answer is option A, 34.21%. Question number 53. In which year was the Assam Global Investors Summit held in Assam? কোন বছৰত অসমত আসাম গ্লোবেল ইনভেষ্টাৰ্ছ সামিট অনুষ্ঠিত হৈছিল? The correct answer is option B, 2018. The Assam Global Investors Summit was held in Assam in 2018. Question number 54. In which year was Irrigation Department established in Assam? কোন চনত অসমত জলসিঞ্চন বিভাগ স্থাপন হৈছিল? The correct answer is option B, 1974. The Irrigation Department in Assam was established in 1974. Question number 55. Nameri National Park is located in which district of Assam? Nameri ৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় উদ্যান অসমৰ কোনখন জিলাত অৱস্থিত? The correct answer is option B, Sonitpur. Nameri National Park is located in the Sonitpur district of Assam. Question number 56. Kaziranga National Park is mainly located in which district of Assam? Kaziranga ৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় উদ্যান ঘাইকৈ অসমৰ কোনখন জিলাত অৱস্থিত? The correct answer is option A, Golaghat. Kaziranga National Park is mainly located in the Golaghat district of Assam. Question number 57. Which place is also called the Manchester of Assam? কোন ঠাইক অসমৰ মানচেষ্টাৰ বুলিও কোৱা হয়? The correct answer is option D, Sualkusi. Sualkusi is also called the Manchester of Assam. Question number 58. Which place in Assam is famous for making bell metal utensils? অসমৰ কোনখন ঠাই বেল ধাতুৰ বাচন তৈয়াৰ কৰাৰ বাবে বিখ্যাত? The correct answer is option B, Sarthewari. Sarthewari in Assam is famous for making bell metal utensils. Question number 59. In which place of Assam is the ivory factory located? অসমৰ কোন ঠাইত হাতী দাঁতৰ কাৰখানা অৱস্থিত? The correct answer is option D, Borpeta. The ivory factory is located in the Borpeta district of Assam. Question number 60. In which year was the Assam Industrial Development Corporation established? কোন চনত অসম ঔদ্যোগিক উন্নয়ন নিগম প্ৰতিষ্ঠা হৈছিল? The correct answer is option C, 1965. The Assam Industrial Development Corporation was established in 1965. Question number 61. In which year was the Assam Financial Corporation established? কোন চনত অসম বিত্তীয় নিগম প্ৰতিষ্ঠা হৈছিল? The correct answer is option B, 1954. The Assam Financial Corporation was established in 1954. Question number 62. In which place of Assam is petrochemical project located? অসমৰ কোন ঠাইত পেট্ৰকেমিকেল প্ৰকল্প অৱস্থিত? The correct answer is option C, both A and B, that is Namrup and Bongaigaon. Question number 63. Where is Negheriting Shivo Dol located? Negheriting Shivo Dol কর অবস্থিত? The correct answer is option C, Dergaon. Negheriting Shivo Dol is located at Dergaon. Question number 64. In which year was the Guwahati University established? কোন চনত গুৱাহাটী বিশ্ববিদ্যালয় প্ৰতিষ্ঠা হৈছিল? The correct answer is option C, 1948. The Guwahati University was established in 1948. Question number 65. Who is the first Assamese to climb Mount Everest? Mount Everest আৰোহণ কৰা প্ৰথম অসমীয়া কোন? The correct answer is option B, Torun Soikia. Torun Soikia is the first Assamese to climb Mount Everest. Question number 66. Who is the author of Kathonibari Ghat, a collection of short stories? Kathonibari Ghat গল্প সংকলনৰ লেখক কোন? The correct answer is option D, Mohim Bora. Mohim Bora is the author of Kathonibari Ghat. Question number 67. Which one is considered as the first romantic poem in Assamese literature? কোনটোক অসমীয়া সাহিত্যৰ প্ৰথম ৰোমান্টিক কবিতা হিচাপে গণ্য কৰা হয়? The correct answer is option A, Bon Kuori. Bon Kuori is considered as the first romantic poem in Assamese literature. Question number 68. Which one is the first modern Assamese play? কোনখন প্ৰথম আধুনিক অসমীয়া নাটক? The correct answer is option B, Ram Navami. Ram Navami is the first modern Assamese play. Question number 69. Which one is considered as the first Assamese sonnet? কোনটোক প্ৰথম অসমীয়া sonnet বুলি গণ্য কৰা হয়? The correct answer is option C, Priyotamar Chithi. Priyotamar Chithi is considered as the first Assamese sonnet. Question number 70. What is the state flower of Assam? অসমৰ ৰাজ্যিক ফুল কি? The correct answer is option A, Foxtail Orchid. Foxtail Orchid is the state flower of Assam. Question number 71. What is the state fruit of Assam? অসমৰ ৰাজ্যিক ফল কি? The correct answer is option C, Kazi Nemu. Kazi Nemu is the state fruit of Assam. Question number 72. Who was the first governor of Assam? অসমৰ প্ৰথম ৰাজ্যপাল কোন আছিল? The correct answer is option B, Sir Akbar Haidari. Sir Akbar Haidari was the first governor of Assam. Question number 73. When was Assam Medical College established? অসম চিকিৎসা মহাবিদ্যালয় কেতিয়া প্ৰতিষ্ঠা হৈছিল? The correct answer is option B, 1947. The Assam Medical College was established on the 3rd of November 1947. Question number 74. What was the first Assamese children magazine? প্ৰথম অসমীয়া শিশু আলোচনী কি আছিল? The correct answer is option B, Lora Bondhu. The first Assamese children magazine was Lora Bondhu. Question number 75. When was National Games held in Assam? অসমত কেতিয়া ৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় খেল অনুষ্ঠিত হৈছিল? The correct answer is option B, 2007. The national games was held in 2007 in Assam. Question number 76. Which was the first Assamese book to win Sahitya Academy Award? সাহিত্য অকাডেমি বঁটা লাভ কৰা প্ৰথমখন অসমীয়া গ্ৰন্থ কোনখন? The correct answer is option A, Bonful. Bonful was the first Assamese book to win Sahitya Academy Award. Question number 77. The first Assamese film Joymoti was made in. প্ৰথম অসমীয়া চলচ্চিত্ৰ জয়মতী নিৰ্মাণ হৈছিল? The correct answer is option A, 1935. The first Assamese film Joymoti was made in 1935. Question number 78. In which year was Dibrugarh University established? কোন চনত ডিব্ৰুগড় বিশ্ববিদ্যালয় প্ৰতিষ্ঠা হৈছিল? The correct answer is option A, 1965. The Dibrugarh University was established in 1965. Question number 79. Which Assamese movie is based on Bhavendranath Soikia's novel Antorip? ভৱেন্দ্ৰনাথ শইকীয়াৰ উপন্যাস অন্তৰীপৰ আধাৰত নিৰ্মিত অসমীয়া চিনেমা কোনখন? The correct answer is option D, Okni Snan. Question number 80. The primary raw material used by the Assam Biorefinery Private Limited is. অসম বায়'ৰিফাইনেৰী প্ৰাইভেট লিমিটেডে ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা প্ৰাথমিক কেঁচামাল হ'ল? The correct answer is option A, bamboo. The primary raw material used by the Assam Biorefinery Private Limited is bamboo. Question number 81. Sagar Dekhisa, a collection of Assamese poems was written by. সাগৰ দেখিছা অসমীয়া কবিতা সংকলন ৰচনা কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option A, Devakanta Borua. Sagar Dekhisa, a collection of Assamese poems was written by Devakanta Borua. Question number 82. In Assamese literature, who is known as the Dhoni Kobi? অসমীয়া সাহিত্যত কোন ধনী কবি ৰূপে জনাজাত? The correct answer is option A, Binanda Chandra Borua. In Assamese literature, Binanda Chandra Borua is known as Dhoni Kobi. Question number 83. On which island hillock is the Umananda temple situated? কোনখন নদী দ্বীপ টিলাত উমানন্দ মন্দিৰ অৱস্থিত? The correct answer is option A, Bhosmasol. The Umananda temple is located on Bhosmasol hill. Question number 84. Which of the following is an Assamese jewelry item worn in the ears? তলৰ কোনটো হৈছে কাণত পিন্ধা এক অসমীয়া গহনা? The correct answer is option D, Thuria. Thuria is an Assamese jewelry item worn in the ears. Question number 85. Which of the following travelers had visited Kamrupa Kingdom? তলৰ কোনজন ভ্ৰমণকাৰীয়ে কামৰূপ ৰাজ্য ভ্ৰমণ কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option B, Huyen Sang. Huyen Sang had visited Kamrupa Kingdom. Question number 86. Who is the director of the movie Village Rockstars? Village Rockstars চিনেমাখনৰ পৰিচালক কোন? The correct answer is option A, Rima Das. Rima Das is the director of the movie Village Rockstars. Question number 87. What is the total literacy rate of Assam? অসমৰ মুঠ সাক্ষৰতাৰ হাৰ কিমান? The correct answer is option C, 72.19%. The total literacy rate of Assam is 72.19%. Question number 88. Where is Assam Forest Guard School located? অসম বনৰক্ষী বিদ্যালয় ক'ত অৱস্থিত? The correct answer is option C, Makum. The Assam Forest Guard School is located in Makum. Question number 89. When was Assam Higher Secondary Education Council formed? অসম উচ্চতৰ মাধ্যমিক শিক্ষা পৰিষদ কেতিয়া গঠন হৈছিল? The correct answer is option B, 1984. The Assam Higher Secondary Education Council was formed in 1984. Question number 90. When was the Secondary Education Board of Assam established? অসমৰ মাধ্যমিক শিক্ষা বোৰ্ড কেতিয়া প্ৰতিষ্ঠা হৈছিল? The correct answer is option C, 1962. The Secondary Education Board of Assam was established in 1962. Question number 91. Where is the headquarters of the Assam Sahitya Sabha located? অসম সাহিত্য সভাৰ মুখ্য কাৰ্যালয় ক'ত অৱস্থিত? The correct answer is option B, Jorhat. The headquarters of Assam Sahitya Sabha is located at Jorhat. Question number 92. Where is the headquarters of the North East Frontier Railway located? উত্তৰ পূব সীমান্ত ৰেলৱেৰ মুখ্য কাৰ্যালয় ক'ত অৱস্থিত? The correct answer is option B, Maligaon. The headquarters of the North East Frontier Railway is located in Maligaon. Question number 93. Where are the hot water springs located in Assam? গৰম পানীৰ অসমৰ ক'ত অৱস্থিত? The correct answer is option C, Nambo Reserve Forest. The hot water springs are located in Nambo Reserve Forest in Assam. Question number 94. Where is the Ashoklanto Temple located in Assam? অসমৰ অশ্বক্লান্ত মন্দিৰ ক'ত অৱস্থিত? The correct answer is option B, North Guwahati. The Ashoklanto Temple is located at North Guwahati. Question number 95. Where is the Sainik School located in Assam? সৈনিক স্কুলখন অসমৰ কোন ঠাইত অৱস্থিত? The correct answer is option C, Goalpara. The Sainik School is located in the Goalpara district of Assam. Question number 96. Which one is called the Khajuraho of Assam? কোনটোক অসমৰ খাজুৰাহো বুলি কোৱা হয়? The correct answer is option B, Modern Kamdev Temple. The Modern Kamdev Temple is called the Khajuraho of Assam. Question number 97. Which place is known as the Scotland of Assam? কোনখন ঠাইক অসমৰ স্কটলেণ্ড বুলি জনা যায়? The correct answer is option A, Haflong. Haflong is known as the Scotland of Assam. Question number 98. Which language was used by Shankardev to write Borgits? শংকৰদেৱে বৰগীত লিখিবলৈ কোনটো ভাষা ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option D, Brajavali. Srimanta Shankardev wrote his Borgits in Brajavali language. Question number 99. What was the name of Srimanta Shankardev's grandmother? Srimanta Shankardeবৰ আইতাকৰ নাম কি আছিল? The correct answer is option C, Khersuti. Srimanta Shankardev's grandmother's name was Khersuti. Question number 100. Who wrote the book Bhakti Ratnabali? Bhakti Ratnabali গ্ৰন্থখন কোনে ৰচনা কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option C, Madhav Dev. The book Bhakti Ratnabali is written by Madhav Dev.